let's look at another episode. Now you realize that the 2025 examination of WASSCE is now turning into word form most of the time. So we are switching to that pattern. So journey with me so that you understand some of the challenges and how to go about it in WASSCE questions. Now let's look at this simple question. It says that a taxi owner is Tope records the daily income in Ghana cedis made by his taxi over 5 days as follows: 120 Ghana cedis, 150, 130, 100, and 150. Calculate the mean deviation of his income. Now, one thing that you should realize that they just want you to find a mean deviation, but it has been placed in the form of word problem. Don't worry, the most important thing is your mean deviation. Now, in terms of mean deviation of this raw data, the first thing that you're supposed to do is to find the mean. So let's look for the mean. Now realize that mean is given by the addition of all the given values and then divide it by the number. So 150, let's do that. So 150 plus 120 plus 130 plus 100 plus another 150, all divided by the number. So let's look at it. That's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. So divided by 5. So when you divide 150 plus 120 plus 130 plus 100 plus another 150 divided by 5, you are going to get 130. Now when you get 130, then you draw a simple table. So we have the x value 150. The first one is 120, 150, 130, 100, 150. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a simple table. So we have this. Then you are going to subtract the mean, which is 130, from all the items and find its absolute value. So it means that you subtract 130 from 120, and that will give you 10, but it is the absolute. So you say x minus x bar. So when you do the subtraction, when you subtract 130 from 120, you have negative 10, but because this is the absolute value, you write 10. 130 from 150, you get 20. Then 130 is 0. 130 from 100 is 30. Absolute value is negative, but it's 30. Then this one also gives you 20. Now so let's sum them up. So adding them, 10 plus 20, 30 plus 30, 60 plus 20 is 80. So the mean deviation is the summation of the x minus x bar over the n. What is the n? So 80 out of 5. So when you divide 80 from 5, you get 16. You see, very simple. Please subscribe and then watch out for more questions on word related or